Okay, so hello and welcome to one of the very first lectures in this course, where I just want to quickly exactly explain you what exactly a programming language is, or what exactly Java is. So this is exactly what we will learn in this whole course. And just to clarify what exactly you're learning, I just want to quickly announce or show you what exactly a programming language is and what Java exactly does, or take part in this programming language stuff and theme. So we can easily start by just going quickly into this code. So you can already see this. We have never covered this in this code, so you do not really have to understand this. This is not coded by me right now. This is just some original stuff from Java. So you do not really have to understand this right now. I just want to quickly explain you something. So you may know that our computer is only able to read like the number 0 and 1. So he's not able to read this. So for example, if I write like in here, hello, computer, he's not able to read this. He will put this like in different numbers, like for example, an H is going to be for the computer 01010001. This is not 100% sure. I do not know what the computer language is for H. So this is just what I'm showing you. So for example, let's say that the H is in the computer language 01010001. The computer is only able to read this. So what it does? So the compiler of Java, we have never covered this, but the compiler is just a translator. So the compiler translates the Java programming stuff, which we have right here, to the computer in those values right there. So in 0, 1s, and 0. So then there's number 0 and 1. Because like we explained, our computer is only able to read those two numbers. So, but what I want to exactly explain you right now. So, for example, right here you can see those little, red marked things. Those are called keywords, and literally every programming language is made out of keywords. So when you understand what is, or you can also show you something more. For example, if I create something right there, and you can also see it's also going like in the color red. So as already explained, please do not understand it right now. I just want to quickly just explain you what exactly a programming language is. So don't understand this, please. So and you can see this is red, this is also red, this is red, and so on. But for example, there are just different keywords in a programming language, and when you understand those keywords, you're literally able to code or be able to program in any other languages, because then you just have to learn the syntax of a programming language. And what is exactly syntax? So for example, right here you can see those little wavy brackets, or like those brackets, or like this little equal sign, or even a semicolon, or other stuff, like for example again this, a semicolon, a dot, and so on. And this is called the syntax. For example, our English grammar is like I love you. So our English grammar is, for example, right there, always we say that the sentence beginning is always in a capital letter, and always the letter I is always in a capital letter. And then at the end, we mostly put like a point, a question mark, or an exclamation mark, or other stuff. But mostly we always have an ending. This is like our grammar in our English language. But in Java, the grammar, or basically the syntax, it's called, is this little usage of brackets. This is like the syntax or the grammar of a programming language. And this is the key where every programming language and Java are not that similar and have changes. Because, for example, in other languages, like, I'm not 100% sure what I can say right now, but in different languages, like in Python or in JavaScript, you use not brackets, you maybe use double points, or only brackets, not wavy brackets, and much, much more. So they do not even know what exactly wavy bracket is. And as we explained, this is the syntax. So in every programming language, the syntax is different. But I'm 100% sure that in literally every programming language, the keywords are like similar. Because, for example, if you create a loop for loop, the for loop is similar to in JavaScript, or in Python, or in Swift for Apple programming, and so on. And this is basically what helps us to be able to learn. When you have learned one programming language, it's easier for you to learn the next one, because it's the same. And this is why I would say that everyone who has programmed in any other languages, like in Python, in JavaScript, in Swift, in various programming languages, or in C++, C#, like in very different programming languages, is able to understand the things I do in this course right here easier. But don't worry, this course is made for the complete beginners to programming and for the people who have maybe already programmed in Java or other languages. So every of those types of students is able to understand this whole course, because I think that it's better for all the people to understand it. And I can 100% make sure that this course is for everyone. So if you never started programming in any other languages, even not in Java, not in JavaScript, not in any other languages, you will succeed in this course if you will follow me up and be successfully able to understand everything. And don't worry, if you do not understand anything, you are able to hit me up on direct messages, or you can open up a Q&A section on Udemy. But this is not like the theme of the current lecture, because I just want to explain you what exactly a programming language is. Because as already explained, we're communicating with the computer. So this is like normal English right there and so on. So if you go through all those lectures and you understand the whole code we're doing, you can just easily imagine that this is like a normal language. Because when you understand everything what we're doing right here, we can just read through the code and explain it to other people. And this is exactly what we do right here. So we're explaining things to the computer should do. And the main structure of a programming language is the objects, the keywords, and the syntax. So this is everything you need to know, and this is how a programming language works, and even Java also like this works. Don't worry, I know this sounds very confusing if you're starting out with programming, but I will promise you that after this whole course, if you followed up everything and understood everything, which I think you will do, then you will be successfully able to program and make your own custom programs in Java. And this is exactly what you will learn in this course. So I wish you good luck, and I will see you in the next lecture, where we will first of all start making our first Java program. So see you in the next lecture. Bye.